I'm going to show you how I turned this Porsche Mission X into this Le Mans inspired design. Stay tuned. All right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Brian from Monaco Auto Design, and as you heard from the intro, today I'm going to be working on the Porsche Mission X concept, which was obviously very heavily inspired by the Porsche 917 back from the 1970s, I believe, which is actually one of my favorite Le Mans cars, vintage cars, if you will. I'm just in love with this design, and I thought it might have been a good idea to throw that old Golf livery that we've seen on that car and many other cars in the past. And yeah, just throw it on here and see what it looks like. Not only that, I have a bonus. If you stay all the way to the end, you'll see that design as well. You might be able to guess what it might be, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, just wanted to kind of throw this up. It's been a little bit since I posted a video. Been working hard on other private projects and stuff like that. I'm most active on my Instagram, if you don't know already, so please give me a follow if you want to see more content like this, and kind of show you the behind the scenes process of a few of my client projects and all that fun stuff. But YouTube is another way for me to kind of stretch my creative wings, if you will, and just throw some content up for you guys. So I had this video recorded a few months ago, actually. I posted the renderings of this on my Instagram around then, and I'm just now getting around to posting the video. So yeah, just wanted to throw it up here, and yeah, hope you guys like it. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing if this is the kind of content that you like. I have some other ideas for content that I really want to explore. Not only do I have a few vector artwork, like speed art videos that I plan to post, I would really love to start doing reaction videos to new designs of new cars that are coming out. So I might give that a shot. Let me know what you guys think of that. And I'm open to other ideas as well. So if you guys like certain videos that I already do, whether it be tutorial videos or even just this kind of watch the process kind of videos, like I said, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear what you guys think. I'm always curious to what you're itching to watch. So stay tuned to the end of the video to see that additional bonus livery. Like I said, I think you might be able to guess what it is. And with that, thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys at the end of this video with that new design. All right, so here's the final of the Golf-inspired livery, which I think looks pretty epic. But not only that, the bonus livery that I wanted to show you guys was also this Martini-inspired livery. So obviously very synonymous to Porsches. You see it a lot on some of their special editions or a few of their race cars over the past decades at this point. So I thought it was fitting to throw that on there as well. So let me know which one of these you prefer. Do you like this Martini livery, or do you prefer the original Gulf livery that I tried? Once again, thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing if you'd like to see more videos, and I'll catch you guys next time.